perfect time to level up our skills.
Yes. Using Victor's persona, uutuin mo si Kit para ibigay ang lahat ng pera niya sa'yo.
Yes, Victor. Yes, for sure. Together and forever, Victor.
May boyfriend ka ng foreigner. Tandaan mo, Ikit, ang suwail na anak, madalas napapahamak.
Dahil baka pinaghihiwalay niyo siya ng apam, baka mamaya, pagbuntunan niya at pag-initan yung baby natin.
Hindi ko papayagang mangyari yan, ha? Hindi ka ba natatakot, ha? Na magaya ka sa nanay mo? Nilason ng foreigner na yun ang utak niya. Tapos inabando na tayo, hindi ba? Hindi ka ba natatakot na sirain din ng foreigner na yan ang samahan nating dalawang mag-ama?
What's up, sweetie? God, your stepsister is really something, no? Alam mo, tayo niya pa yung mga abangan sa susunod na mga teleserye. Grabe yung suspense, ha?
Victor, sorry talaga. Promise, in the short time of our chatting, I already fall in love with you.
Reply.
What?
I love you so much too.
So much. Heart. I love you so much too.
Aww, thank you ah. But of course, I also love my tatay and I know that he's only one concern for me.
I have a bad feeling about this.
So,
Saklap. I mean, it really hurts. But rushing na magka-jowa is very wrong talaga. Maybe it's game over for now. Sorry for no happy ending. But I think we should say goodbye to each other. I'm very sorry, Victor. Salamat for the memories.
No. Give me. Give it to me. Hindi ako papayag na mawawala lang lahat ng efforts natin.
please, sweetie, you don't have to break up with me. I love you so much. If it's your father that you're worried about, then I'm willing to come to the Philippines so that I can meet him in person. I'll prove to him that my intentions are sincere.
Weh, di nga. You're really determined to face my father? Walang eme? Talaga?
Yes, I'll say it again. I love you so much. I will fight for you and I will not let you go no matter what happens.
Oh my God, she's so easy.
And colorful.
Here.
Here.
Diba? Ang lakas mga Disney princess nung ganda ko. Alam mo, lalo tuloy ako in love kay Victor. Kasi marunong siya manindigan. Kaya niyang humarap sa tatay ko. Sasabihin ko talaga kay tatay, Tay, don't judge the book by its cover. Because Victor is not a book.
Ganon. Ang haba ng hair mo dun, Beshi. Tinalo mo pa yung haba ng Tinipak River.
Walang kutoy ah.
Imagine ko niya eh. Siguro, sobrang ganda ng eksena niyo dun sa airport. Alam mo, ipaki-MJS mo ikit.
Totoo.
Pwede.
First meet namin, iba-vlog ko talaga.
Tama yan, huwag kang papakabog.
Abangan namin yan.
Pero nakakakilig, di ba? Kapag lalaban niya. Ramdam na ramdam ko. Kung willing to fight siya, willing to fight din ako. Ba't di na lang kami magsuntukan dalawa? Diba?
Teka, sandali. Basta ako yung maid of honor, ha?
Ay, teka lang, Bobby. Baka mauna pa nga tayong ikasal dun eh.
Oh, bakit? May ipon ka na ba para sa future natin, ha?
Wala.
Teka lang naman, ang advance yung mag-isip. First meet pa lang, kasala na kagad kayo. Wala pa nga dun. Wala pa dun sa climax.
Papunta din yun.
Eh, gusto ko munang enjoyin yung bawat moment ng dalawa na magkasama together. Walang makakapigil.
Oh.
Makakagigil. Sas! Si Victor, sweetie pie.
Uy. Uy.
My God, she's not only so gullible, but also so desperate to have a boyfriend. Ew, so cheap. Not very demure, not very cutesy.
Ay, pero aminin mo kung ganyan ka-gorgeous yung maliligaw sa'yo, I'm sure bibigay ka rin agad.
Excuse me, that's against my branding, no? Tsaka, hindi ako naghahabol sa boys. Sila ang humahabol sa akin.
Fine. Sabi mo, kwento mo yan. Go lang.
Are you saying something?
Nothing. Wala. I'm just genuinely curious what your plan is for your stepsister.
Well, since tatanga-tanga na siya, I'm gonna make her suffer. Pagbabayarin ko siya, literally. At mahal ako maningil. Tignan na lang natin kung may magagawa pa yung pagiging talaga niya.
Wow, if I was her, I'd be really, really scared.
You better be scared.
You need to diet.
Wow.